If I think about MoonRAD, I would come into mind one of my favorite phrases from Gene Roddenberry, which said, if we believe in ourselves and in our capabilities, we can reach almost anything.
Space exploration, and in particular exploration of the moon, is something that is ramping up internationally.
My main motivation is to go where no man has gone before.
We have missions from all around the world that are trying to go to the moon, both robotically and with humans. And this is going to be the start of a sustained period of activity at the moon. We will see the establishment of infrastructure there, and we will see the plans to move onwards beyond to Mars, with the establishment of long-term infrastructure for science and technology on the lunar surface.
The MoonRAD mission has 3 different types of goals. The first one is, of course, a scientific goal to measure cosmic radiation and plasma environment in the lunar region. The technological objective is to have a smallsat platform, a state-of-the-art new technology-based smallsat platform, which is including AI-based solution, including technologies which are coming from the new space age, to be competitive against other players on this market, to be even the first on the market to use these kind of technologies and implement on board a platform which is capable to fly to the moon and operate in the moon environment. And the third type of objective is industrial. We need to be capable to react to the new space area, to be agile enough in the implementation of the program to deliver a mission, what we call fast-track mission, which means we want to be in a position to deliver something from kick-off until the launch within 4 years time frame.
In ESA now, this is really the main mission that we have that will be able to measure the environment around the moon in orbit.
And that's why Hungary is currently in a leading position. Remred is the provider of the platform, the mission. But there are also academic players. From Hungarian side, the HUN-REN Centre for Energy Research is part of the consortium, responsible for the scientific content of the mission, and that's also a very important and valuable contribution, and also an enabling point for the Hungarian academia to execute world leader science.
Our objective is to provide an instrument suite that can provide measurement data for the lunar environment to support future human exploration. I'm talking about space radiation data, space dosimetry data, so that we can better understand the changes in the environment, the dynamic processes, and what are the effects on humans and on other assets.
From the European context, there are also the University of Geneva from Switzerland. They are also responsible for some part of the payload, so also for the scientific content, since it shall be mentioned that such a research requiring a very wide community.
Doing a mission at the moon is technologically and scientifically very challenging and very exciting to do for the purpose of detection and reaching frontier science goals that were commonly not possible with small detectors before.
In order to enable the exploration programs, which is planned, we need smallsat constellations around the moon, which are providing services like navigation, telecommunication, space weather monitoring, which are already in place around the Earth, but now we are extending our capabilities to that environment. So that's a natural opportunity, since there are still no such constellations there, no real companies who can do it nowadays. So if we react quickly, if we meet our industrial goals, we could be in a position that we won the whole competition.
MoonRAD is really a new possibility of doing detection there and trying to abandon classical ways that are safe and well known, but actually taking a bold step to understanding what is happening there.
Besides the science, an important aspect of MoonRAD is its rapid development as a small mission within the ESA program. So these are missions which should be cost capped, they should be time limited so that they can be implemented cost-effective way and at a fast pace. This is a really important aspect of the small missions and of the MoonRAD mission.
MoonRAD is a very good example. No one made it before to execute a successful long lifetime orbiting satellite mission around the moon. And now we can do it, and we can show to the world that we can do it from Hungary, from Europe. So that's motivating me. A challenge which was never been done by anyone else before.